Hey everyone, my name is Harsh and in this video I'll be telling you how you can create the default Flutter counter app from scratch. So let's get to the video. So for making the app, the first thing which we need to do is we need to import the material.dart. After this we need to make a void main function which will be having run app, through which our app or the class will be running. I'll be naming my class as my app. We'll be creating it in a while. Now let's create the myapp class. So the myapp class will be of type stateless widget, and in that we'll be having an override which will have a widget named as build, through which we'll be building all the elements. It will be taking the context and returning a material app. So what we can pass in this is we can pass a title in it. So this title will be the name of the app. We can pass a theme to it, and in this theme we can pass a theme data, and in the theme data we can specify the primary swatch color. So this will be the color of our app, like the basic color. Next thing which we can pass is the home. So this will be the screen which will be displaying when our app will be opening. So I'll name it my home page. We'll be creating this in a while. Now let us create a my homepage class. So this will be of the type stateful widget. It will be taking an override, and in it we have to pass the state. Now we'll be creating the state for this app, and in this we'll be having an override which will be having a widget named as build, taking build context and returning a scaffold widget. Now in this scaffold widget we'll be having app bar. In this app bar we'll be having title which takes a widget, so I'll be passing a text widget to it, and I'll be specifying demo app here. Now for the body we'll be having center widget which has text as its child, and this will display the counting or the text for whatever we want to display. Now what we need is a floating action button. So this will be the button which will be triggering a function for increasing the count by 1. So now let us make the function. So I'll be making a variable named as underscore counter. So the underscore signifies that this variable is available privately to this class only. And I'll make a function also which will be named as increment counter, and it will be incrementing counter by 1. I'll be using a setState method to update the value of the counter throughout the app. So it will be updating the state of this as well. Now what we need to display here is underscore counter, and as the underscore counter is of type integer, we need to add toString to it so that it is displayed in the form of text. And in this onPressed we'll be passing the function which we need to call. So this will be our basic app. Now let's run this app. One more thing which we can add until the app is running is a child for this floating action button. So I'll be adding an icon to it. Let's wait for the app to run. So you can see that the build has completed and the app will be launching any minute. You can see here that the initial count is displayed. When we'll be clicking on this button, it will be increasing the count of this variable underscore counter which we have created. So this is how you can implement the default counter app in a Flutter. So that is it for this video.